Well, as part of our series on the Teenage Engineering PO-33 KO, we want to take a look at some of the onboard effects of the KO. In this quick video, we'll show you each effect and give you a sense for how they work. For more information about the KO, be sure to check out our other videos in this series. Let's do it! A few things to keep in mind about the effects. 1. The KO has 15 built-in effects. 2. Effects can only be applied to patterns that are playing back. 3. Effects can be applied non-destructively during a performance. 4. Effects can also be written and recorded into each pattern. 5. Effects cannot be stacked, only one effect at a time. 6. Effects cannot be applied to the line input. Now let's cover some basics about applying effects. First, we need a pattern to be playing in order to apply the effects. Press and hold pattern and select a pattern. Press play to start playback. We can now apply any of the effects. Press and hold FX and press and hold 1 through 15 to preview the effect. In a performance setting, you can apply effects to the pattern without affecting the pattern. Ensuring you're not in edit mode will verify no effects will be saved to the pattern. If you want to write effects to the pattern, press write during playback until you are in edit mode. Now, press and hold effects and select an effect. It will also record the timing when you engage and disengage the effect. Although you can't have more than one effect at the same time, you can engage effects sequentially within the same pattern. If you want to know which effects have been recorded to the pattern, press and hold effects and watch the LEDs. They will light when that effect is engaged. If LED number 16 is lit, that means there are no effects engaged during that part of the pattern. You can clear effects during playback while in edit mode. Press and hold effects while holding down number 16. You can clear the effect from a part of the pattern or all of it depending on how long you hold down the buttons. Okay, let's take a look at each effect. While the pattern is playing, we'll apply them one at a time. Effect 1, Loop 16. Effect 2, Loop 12. Effect 3, Loop Short. Effect 4, Loop Shorter. Effect 5, Unison. Effect 6, Unison Low. Effect 7, Octave Up. Effect 8, Octave Down. Effect 9, Stutter 4. Effect 10, Stutter 3. Effect 11, Scratch. With both of the scratch effects, it will repeat the step you engage the effect on. This is not an effect you'll want to blanketly apply to the entire pattern like most of the others. Effect 12, Scratch Fast. Same as before, except a shorter repeat cycle. Effect 13, 6/8 Quantize. Effect 14, RETRIGGER Pattern. Effect 15, Reverse. Effect 16, no effect, you just use this to clear other effects. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like and subscribe for more goodness. Your support helps grow this channel. Thanks.